This is a quick tutorial of how to use FOSS interactive ebooks, and specifically we're going to be reading the article called How Do Atoms Rearrange? So we'll be looking for that particular article in your book. This is a little different from the FOSS eBooks app. For this particular lesson, I'd like you to go to fossweb.com. So www.fossweb.com. And then I would like you to use your shawneeheights.net email and password to log in. Don't forget, it's the whole email. Next, we're going to be looking for a link called Interactive Ebook HTML. So this one right here. Yours is probably from a much longer list. Or if you prefer, a Spanish ebook. So we're looking for the interactive one because it is one that will read to us. Once you've selected the interactive ebook, I want you to use this toggle down here at the bottom, this table of contents grid. If you touch the grid, then you get all the pages in the book, and you can use this little slider that is green to slide back and forth and find the correct article. The article we're looking for is called When Atoms Rearrange. So you can see it starts right here on page 118. What's cool about the interactive ebooks is that there are short videos, and then there is a lady that reads you the passage. So for example, in this picture right here, you'll see the woman doing the lime water experiment. If you touch the little speaker right there, you can hear her read the caption. But if you want to, you can click this little video at the top to watch a different chemical reaction. Everywhere there's a speaker, the woman will read to you, and that way you can follow along, maybe even a couple of times if you need her to reread a section, and take notes as needed. What I'd like you to do first, however, is skip to the end of the article with all these batteries and read the think questions. You will be answering these think questions in an assignment after reading, so you might as well read the questions beforehand, looking for the answers as you read. However, do not read the think questions, go and find the answers and be done. Remember that you are going to be testing next week, and it is important to read all of the article and understand the article. Please use the speakers to replay and reread as needed.